Hello everyone. Today I have a video to introduce you to modern machines. These are the largest tree cutting machines in the world. Some of the tree felling machines you may not have seen before. These are currently experimental machines with future models being developed. These machines make people's work easier and save time. You must understand that these machines will cause harm to the environment. These machines are people's convenience. The damage to the environment depends on the people who use these machines. For scientists, the work of inventing all kinds of machines that are convenient for people continues. These machines do not pose a threat to forests and plants if everyone still loves the natural forest. People still need trees and other developments. We can use these machines to develop roads, cut down forests that are old enough to be cut down, and other needs that can relieve human effort and be fast. These machines are a great achievement for scientists. These machines are powerful compared to the labor of hundreds or thousands of people. They can be used in large-scale agriculture. Human labor is not sufficient to harvest crops on time. So scientists have developed agricultural harvesting machines to facilitate human labor. Currently, some machines are fully operational and the machines are in prototype form and will be put into use in the future. Every machine that is created always has its advantages and disadvantages. But we as users should understand about those machines and use them properly. Some machines can affect the user's life, requiring users to be very careful while using those machines. Some machines are used for agricultural harvesting. Some large-scale machines provide the greatest benefits in the agricultural sector. Farmers always expect to have a way to help them with harvesting and other construction work. In particular, those machines can have many functions according to the needs of farmers. Those machines can cut down forests, plow the land, harrow the land, cultivate and harvest, etc. Nowadays, with advanced technology, many modern machines are being sold on the market. Those machines are affordable to buy and use according to the needs of farmers. If you like my videos, please click the subscribe button and like button to give me the motivation to continue producing new videos.